What's up guys, Stixx Picks here. We're here at a storage unit. We paid $2,300 for the storage unit. They were four decent, not decent, they were really expensive. He said they're like $500 shelves. He found four of them, so that pretty much paid for the unit. Pretty much. Those are just like, no, I gotta sell them. He wanted to keep those. But we didn't go through like all of this back here, so we'll see if we can actually make a little bit of money on it on top of pretty much getting those shelves. So,
bro, they're the most exciting thing I've found in like a year because A, shelves are important. Wait till you see them all lined up and you're in there packing your eBay and you look, oh, J7, boom. It's just, wait till you see that.
All right, so we pretty much didn't go through like all these boxes back here, but they're labeled like DVDs 9/11, 7/11, and you can kind of see them through like the little hole right there. There's DVDs in them. It's not like they're lying to us. There are DVDs, cookbooks, wire stuff for TV. So they're not like crazy boxes, but spam food. I mean, I don't know. Hopefully, hopefully it's something promising in here. Files, blue plastic bulbs. I don't know, guys. Well, maybe we'll have to make some money in tools or Ryobi.
Monkey guy here. Ooh.
How much is this?
25.
25. Right here, yeah.
No, I won't take 20.
Oh my, he won't. He probably will though. He probably will. How about this?
You put that upside down.
Oh, my bad.
15 to 20.
15 to 20. He's not taking 10. Just kidding, he will. What are these for, like fuel? Is there oil? Is there gas in here? we just struck gold, guys.
Yeah, those are cool. Those are like 20, 30 bucks a pop.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a Heavenly bag, guys. Heavenly is skiing, or skiing and snowboard. These aren't my size, though. That would suck, but if they are, it'd be crazy size. 8.5. That's whack. You can't fit those. Oh, come on. These size 10. Oh, these look small as hell. That'd have been cool though. They're probably still expensive. These are for skis, I think, though. These are like ski boots. These are snowboard boots. All right, let's get a couple of these white boxes. Let's see what we got in here. Visa print. All right. Don't know what that is. Probably print some stuff on. These white boxes. Ooh, voice crack. These white boxes are not looking too promising. Look at a bunch of like books and stuff in here. I don't know though, guys. We'll go through them all. Make sure we don't miss nothing, of course. I'm not gonna go through every book like this. Some books might be pricey. I don't know prices of books at all though. Could be some money in books, I guess.
There's a couple bucks in books. I always get yelled at for saying books not worth much.
Shoes.
Oh, we can dibs this.
Dibs it.
Also,
Dibs it.
oh, I think that is.
They would be shoes, Dad. They're pimping.
Well, you can throw that away at home. There's no sense. No, Michael, those are not for me. Those aren't manly shoes.
All right, we got silver plated set of 2-piece. Silver plated, that's not bad. There's 2 of these. These in box stores are in there. Probably like $2 a day.
Dig deep, Michael.
Dig deep.
What about
Michael?
these?
Ooh, let's see. Let's guess the size. Oh, ski boots, I think. Doesn't matter.
Ski boots? Is that?
Yeah. I could just be tripping, but those look like ski boots. Ooh, a microphone. Ooh, a fancy microphone.
I think Eddie would like that.
Eddie has a microphone.
Hey, that looks pretty cool. Might be actually a little bit of money right there. Look at all this spam, guys. Look, Michael, film it. Look at all this spam. You guys like spam? I don't even really ever eat spam like that.
Spam I am.
It says Best by April 2017. Toolbox. There's good tools in here. Empty toolbox.
Anything in it?
I don't know. I didn't sound like it, but I'm making sure. I guess you can just. No, it's definitely empty. There's no point. Some decorative things. Oh, bro, those are like some alcoholic glasses. Look at this. Is like a heart-shaped. What is this? Like a Valentine type decorative thing? This looks pretty cool. The NRA. What's that?
That means that he appreciated the amendment number 2.
Ooh, dang. That's pretty cool. It's like a whole. It's the controller for it.
That's a special charger.
Something like that. Ooh, I don't.
No, go take it out. It's all right, man. Grab it by the bottom. That is probably a little bit of money, though.
It's a whole unit that nobody bid on. Not a single dollar was bid on this unit. That's pretty crazy. All right, more shoes. He doesn't seem to have too fanciest shoes. He got some dress shoes actually. Johnson and Murphy. Nothing nothing crazy though. He seems to have some basic shoes. Ooh, books. Seems to like books a lot. This one's wrapped up. Alright. It's a lot of books.
It's just cleaning supplies and
I have no idea what's the money in books right here, but alright, more paperwork and stuff.
It's kind of nice. Personal. What's that? Come on. Yes.
What is it?
Freaking 40, 50 bucks on eBay.
Oh, sweet.
Gold-filled pins.
It's pretty sweet. It's like that. Maybe.
Ooh. Ooh. Don't stop. Stop.
Oh.
Stop. You're making a mess. Like, if you see some cool stuff, take time to go like this and get there.
I'm just gonna pull it out.
See, I see stuff like this. I see all this stuff right here.
I saw it too, Dad. Don't worry.
Oh!
No.
Oh!
He said it was just personal. I was just going down more.
Yeah, but you're gonna overlook it.
No, you said that. I was going down.
Look at this.
Ooh.
Modified the hunger of heart. My God's gonna do.
I don't think this is gold. It doesn't look gold to me. 0.9995 or 999 fine. 1995. Fine silver $1. That's pretty cool. Alright. A Leatherman or something like that. Nothing crazy. I don't think. There's money in Leathermans, I think. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, what's that? I think it's like a costume piece, but it looks pretty cool still. Dang, what is that? That looks pretty cool. What is it? What kind of gem is that? It's not like a ruby. It's like a lightish pink kind of stone. Dang, this looks like a snowboard to me, guys. It is. That's pretty nice looking snowboard we got here, guys. And it's got, right, aren't those like the bindings or whatever? I don't know how this works. That is a nice looking snowboard, guys. I might dibs that. I don't think I just bought one recently, but I think those have the bindings and these look a bit taller. All right, now these might be a pair of skis. Let's see. Oh, those are like a nice pair of skis. I wonder if I actually like the ski. That's like the whole setup right there. So there's like different sizes for people. I'm not sure how that works. Look like eBay Adam. Oh, the Pro Comp ES 3000 Performance Shock Absorber. They look, I guess, nice. I mean, they actually might be brand new. Oh, all right. Look, it looks like some iPhones in this box. I mean, this is obviously an older one, but these are honestly, if they work, they honestly are worth some money. Oh, maybe eBay these. I don't know if these guys want to eBay them, but I would. I know they're worth eBaying, I'm pretty sure, at least for a little bit. This Apple TV also might be worth eBaying. iPhone box, definitely nothing in here. iPhone 5. Maybe the charger for this iPhone. I think that's what that one is. Probably not though. Nope. Galaxy Tab. Ooh, these tablets? These actually feel like there's something in here. Ooh, there's tablets in here, guys.
What?
It's tablets, brand new.
Brand new or no?
No, look at it. It looks pretty brand new. I mean, maybe not brand new, but has this plastic on the back and everything still. There's not one, but two, right? Ooh, that one is for surely brand new. It's got the plastic on the front, everything. 3 brand new tablets. Ooh, that one doesn't have the plastic on it like the other ones. Book sets are also pretty good sometimes too. RC car stuff.
What is he doing? What was he doing, Michael?
Got scales. Got 4 scales right there.
Weighing his RC parts?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Another box of RC stuff. This person looks like building RC cars.
He had a lot of hobbies, huh?
Pretty cool guy. All right, guys, we're getting to the end of this unit. Look at that. We moved pretty much everything into this trailer. We didn't get, this wasn't like a crazy unit, but we probably will make our money back. We got, like I said, we got those nice shelves at the start. We have 2 nice washer and dryers right there.
I would say those are 200 easily, maybe a little more.
Like a piece or together?
And then couch set would be $253 easily.
That's a nice couch set. I really like it.
We have at the warehouse, we have a silverware set. We have 4 to 5 tires that we should get me $800 to $900, and we kept over $2,000 in shells. So you can give them a little something.
So we'll definitely make our money back, and a little bit hopefully, but we mainly bought this unit for those nice shelves. I'll show you guys when we get to the warehouse, definitely. As we're back at the warehouse, we actually just loaded this trailer right back up. Took out the stuff from the last unit, or not the last unit we just recorded. We just took the stuff out that we wanted, kept the stuff for the flea market. These tires are from that unit actually, right? You guys said you pulled these tires from the unit we just unloaded?
They came out of the unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's
5 tires.
Rim.
Look at these tires, guys. He said that he can get upwards of $800 for these tires.
Look at the
$900.
tread on there.
Those things are massive.
I think they'll get me back about $700, $800 for all of them.
Now let's go show them those nice shelves we got though. These shelves back here are what we're most excited about. Look at back here. These are some nice shelves. I think you said you had 4 of these, right? Okay, these are the next 2. We didn't get up all 4 yet. But this is great for eBay. Look at this. We actually have not much space for eBay. Like things, look at now. We got J1, 2, 3. Bam, bam, bam. Everything's just numbered in order. Always simple to find it for me because we pack eBay a lot for them. We have these over there, but then we just ran out of space. Thank you guys for watching though. I appreciate it, especially if you are watching this far out. That means you watched the whole video. I appreciate you so much for that. Put a heart in the comments if you're actually watching this. I really do appreciate you for that.